Did somebody bring me a pizza? Originale. A pizza? I'm so excited. I love pizza. Oh, the elves are here too. Oh, okay, Biggie wrote us a note. I cooked a tasty pizza. Biggie. Biggie, that was so nice of you. Thank you so much for cooking this pizza for me. Looks like a candy pizza. Do you see all those tasty gummy yum-yums in there? Ooh, I've never had one of them. Comment down below if you've ever had a candy pizza. Oh, the little pink elves are here. They wrote us a note too. Meebs, help. Biggie's gonna cook our sister. Please save her. Gonna cook your sister? Ah! Look, there she is. She's inside the pizza thing. Okay, it's okay. It's going to be okay. Okay, I'm gonna just pull her out here. Oh wait, he has it wrapped up in plastic. I can't get her out. Okay, that's okay. I'll just open up the box. Ooh, that looks like a good pizza, but oh no, she's locked up in there. I can't get her out. Are you seeing this? Look, I'll show you a close-up. She's literally stuck in there. Okay, well, they brought me the scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut you open. Don't worry, it's going to be okay. Don't worry. Comment down below how we are going to fix her. Okay. Woo! Just in time before Biggie put you in the oven. Oh no! She's tangled up in candy yum-yums. Okay, let's get her untangled. Woo! Whoa, she's really tangled up. Do you see this candy yum-yums? I wonder if it's the Twizzler Pull and Peel. Okay. Oh, come on, we can save you. We can save you. Okay, it's going to be okay. Come on, whoo! Okay, let's just flip you over. Okay, I'm gonna take you over to safety with your sisters. Woo! Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sperella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I love my elves on the shelf.